Good afternoon. This is CNFT's daily wrap-up for our trade recommendations made this morning in the Emini contract at 6:45 Central Time. We basically saw today as a trading range market. We were going to trade the outer edges of resistance. We saw resistance at 80 to 85. So our first sell recommendation was 79 to 81, and we had a high of 79.50. On the buy side, we saw pretty good support at 65 to 70. Our first buy recommendation at 70 was blown through. We just touched the top of 67 with a 67 and a quarter low, and the market did manage to trade back to 76 from there. So our first trade set up nicely up here. There was two entries. One, you could have entered off the bar where the high was set at 78 and a quarter, which was the trade we took live in the room. The second trade is you could have entered the market on a sell stop when you broke the low right here at 77 and a quarter, and that would have had you short at 77. So our normal trades, we look for 3 points. If you'd entered it at 77 and taken yourself out at 74, right in this area, you'd have gotten your 3 points, and that was a logical place to get out. Or if you'd stuck with a trade all the way down to 67, 68 and 3/4, you had a shot at 8. If you'd entered the market at 78 and a quarter on this first bar, you had a shot at 9 points. So somewhere between 3 and 9 points are what you made on that first trade. The market came back up. We got our setback trade that's signified by the letter S. You're short at 71 and a quarter. The market did trade to 67 and a quarter. You got our normal expected 3 points. Then the market starts to rally, and off of our setup, a setback trade designated by the letter B, you're long at 70, and the market trades up to 75, 50, 76. So you got 3 to as many as 5 points out of that particular trade. At that time, basically saw the market stuck in a range. We thought there'd be buyers against 70, sellers against 77, but you can see that the market broke late, setting up another really nice trade that our software showed you with the letter S's all the way down to the bottom. So based on how you trade it, how you put your trading targets, you made a minimum of 9 points today to as many as 16, and that was before this late sell-off. We had a great day trading. And we do this every day. We recap our trades in the E-mini and the T-note. They're put up and published along with our research where the trade recommendations are made at 6:45 in the morning. If you'd like to know more about us, go to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of our software, our trading methodologies, and our educational product. To further encourage you to come take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where you can see how we operate real time, live, under live conditions. We talk through trades as we adjust our entries and exits for what's actually going on in the day. Our email address is info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may contact us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.